Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there flowed a sparkling waterfall that twinkled like 1,000 stars. Curious siblings Mia and Leo ventured close. As the sun dipped low, they noticed swirling mist revealing a shimmering doorway behind the cascade. Heartbeats racing, they stepped through together. Instantly, they were in a wondrous land where trees danced and flowers sang. They encountered friendly creatures, a playful fox offering riddles and a wise owl sharing stories. Each moment was filled with laughter and discovery. As the moon rose high, the siblings knew it was time to return, but they carried the magic of the hidden world in their hearts forever, promising to return one day.